Hello, P7 here. Today I have a new lock that is not yet ranked in the belt system, and I'm trying to help rank it. This is the Yale 2100 series. It's a lock that's very similar to the Yale Superior that I have picked before. It has a set of pins that are coming from the Bible side, and then there are some sliders that are sprung on the other side. The difference is that the pins are going straight from the Bible, and there are 6 of them instead of the crisscross pattern of the Yale Superior, so slightly different. Yeah, so the key is very similar to a Yale Superior key, has the dimples for the pins and the track for the sliders. Yeah, so I'm going to try and pick it. Shouldn't be too difficult. Core is a bit loose. So I'm going to try to pick from this side. One is loose, 2, 3, 4. 5 is binding. Okay, 1, 2, little click. Need to use quite a bit of tension so I can get the binder with this one. Okay, bit of co-rotation here, and one is counter-rotating, and set 2, 3, 4, 5, don't think there's anything else on the main stack. Okay, now I'm going for a short hook. These are Jimmy Long picks, very nice. And so the sliders are up there, so I slide this pick there. I will feel for the tracks where the sliders fork, and let me jiggle. Okay, won't move. The first one, second one. Ooh. Second one isn't binding. Third one is okay, just moved a little bit. Oh, and here we go. Lock it up again, and let's get it. There shouldn't be much need for shim, but let's use it anyway, just in case. We know there are some holes in the core for the sliders, so just in case I mess up. So first I'm going to drop the key pins, keeping my hand on the sidebar. Okay. Now carefully moving the sidebar. You can see there are some springs there. Don't want to lose them. Try to drop them in here if possible. Oh, and there it goes. So I say I don't want to lose it, and then I lose it. Yeah, just my luck. I'll go find it later. Okay, so now I have to stop the sliders from springing out. And be careful with the position. So let's consider it like this. These also have springs. Let's see if I don't lose these either. Or also, in this case. Okay, force me. Just a simple core. Very similar to the Yale Superior. Instead of the cross pattern, the zigzag pattern of the chambers for the pins, it's in a straight line, as you can see. And now for the Bible side. Very nice one. Yeah, I definitely felt that spool. Yeah. Unlike the Yale Superior, I didn't feel the spool on that one. Had a similar one on the first position. So I suspect this one will have the same. The rest of the chambers will be standard, and there will be a bump protection pin on the last one. Oh no. Oh, nice. Oh. So it flares out. Very nice. So usually this one is in the last position. Let's see if there are more of these. At least in the Yale Superior. So maybe this one is a little bit different and they put more of them. No, this one is a standard. Standard here too. And another standard. So, unlike the Yale Superior, the anti-bump pin is in the second position instead of the last position. And it seems, let me check again. I don't know if it's just me, it seems just a little bit flared out in the end. Yeah. Slightly different from the Yale Superior one. I did like the feedback on this one. The Yale Superior didn't feel as good. Yeah, I do recommend this one. as well as the MNC's ones, as good introductions to dimple locks with sliders. Although I do think the MNC's are a bit better, and also a little bit harder, most of them. So yeah, really nice lock, probably about blue belt. Yeah, I enjoyed it. Very fun. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Oh, let me see if I can find the other spring. Found it. Yay.